Okay, good morning everyone. It's a very good morning, a very sunny day outside. Today we're going to look at this fruit. We all know it's a tropical fruit. It's called soursop. Just collected it yesterday on the farm. And today we're going to do a very healthy juice, a soursop juice. Soursop is a very good fruit because it has so many health benefits. Very high in vitamin C, contains a lot of antioxidants, and also helps to keep your body pH slightly alkaline, which is a very good thing for your body. So here we go. So we will try to make a soursop juice. Okay, we'll take the knife and we'll leave it open. Brushing it a bit. Here we are making our own soursop fruits at home. Use a spoon to press it. Some research have shown that soursop are very good in killing cancer cells. So it's a good thing to drink the soursop juice every now and then. Okay, so I'll use my hand using a white gloves for hygiene. So I'm pressing it out to get that extra juice out. Okay, now we add on some water to dilute it a bit. Now we sieve it in a sieve to extract the juice. Press it. You press until like this until all the juice has been really squeezed out. Okay, this is our mix of the juice. Okay, we got a lot here. Okay. We put it in the bottle to save it. Okay, so now we got about 1.5 bottles of juice from 3 soursop fruits, 1 week's worth of juice. Okay, so I got the ice and the soursop fruits for a lovely morning. Taste it. Very nice, very nutritious. I think everyone should have a soursop plants at the back of their backyard if you have the space, so that we can have endless supply of soursop fruits to eat and soursop juice. And also we can make I know with the leaves, the plant leaves, we can make soursop tea. So it's very good to have some healthy plants in the backyard of our house. So if this video has made you happier and healthier, please give this a thumbs up and please subscribe, and see you in the next video.